starting the Jungle River Dinghy trip. That is Jeff, Amber, and Cardin and Rockstar. And we have Sea Parents behind us. And Luke's driving.
Fearless Captain.
Fearless Captain. We made it in. And we're going to head around and we'll turn on the camera when we see cool things. So hopefully we'll have a little video montage here by the end of the day. Lots of mangroves and cacti. Everybody's following him. He's just leading the way for the moment.
What is he?
I don't know.
Oh, he's one of the nightbirds, yeah.
Right, and one's white. He's got bright yellow feet. Oh, we're making him nervous.
See all the traps?
Oh yeah! Oh my goodness! I don't know if they'll show up on the video
And I think
not
specifically those
zoomed
ones
in.
in Discovery Channel.
There he is. All right, we can go.
Okay.
Yep. Boy, they're everywhere back in there. You start looking. But we'll have a good time while we're here. Over there is the aquarium, which is where we snorkeled. It was great. The water was pretty clear and the water was also pretty calm. We walked down this beach and we ate at this restaurant over here with all of the bright colored palapas. They had awesome French fries and some really good shrimp. And now we're headed back towards the boat to do the jungle dinghy ride back to our anchorage, which is all the way behind this beach, behind those rocks on the other side.
Jeff did pull off.